Wow, and welcome back to Know Your Gears on Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today we are going to talk about Max 20, a 20-liter bag by Dirtsack, which was sent to me. And if you haven't seen my last video, I spoke about the Shell Sack by Dirtsack, which was sent to me. It's an ADV helmet bag. If you haven't watched this video, here's a link on the top. You can go check that out. And today let's discuss about Max 20. So I will see you guys right after this intro video to tell you more about this. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I have got a modular bag by Dirtsack, which is called Max 20, which can also double up as a backpack. So talking about this bag, this is a mini bomb of a bag. So this works as multiple stuff. So this has got multi-mounting options. So if you look at the back and on the front, it's got a G-hook and a multiple mounting options as a standalone bag. This is also suitable as a modular design. So this, if you're buying the multiple other bags, it can convert into a modular design. And also the build of this particular bag is super durable. It's ultra durable material and also 100% waterproof. The main compartment of this particular bag is 100% waterproof. So let's get into this right now and tell you more about this bag. So if you look at this, so there are 3 clips on the side which are fail-proof clips, 3 hooks, and it rolls up to open up the main compartment. So if you look at it, so there is another layer, that is this. You can see another layer. So the layer inside that you can see, the orange color, is a waterproof bag. So the main compartment of this, that is this side, is a completely waterproof compartment. So you can carry anything that you want in this, and it is safe and completely waterproof. And if you want to lock it, you need to roll it down to ensure it is completely waterproof. You have one hook on the side here, another hook on this side, and one on the center which you clip on the back. So that way. And when you go on the back side of this bag, there is a secret straps which will pop out if you can open it like this, and then it can easily convert into a backpack. So you have this clips here, straps here, roll it down here, unplug, roll it over here, and then goes back, and in no time this converts as your backpack. There you see. In no time this completely transforms into a backpack, and it's 100% waterproof in the main compartment. And you will see there are a lot of these mounting hooks, because this is for the modular design. That's why it's called multi-modular design. Also, that's why it can convert into a stackable modular design. So if you have the maybe Max 30 and a Max 10, you can stack it one over the other and convert it into a proper modular design. So that's why you will see hooks all over, so mounting options. And you have these G hooks here, and all these G hooks are alloy hooks for more rugged and strength. So these are super rugged and for strength as well. And if you look at these buckles here, these are aluminium buckles, again for durability and strength, especially when you convert this bag into a modular design, the stackable modular design. When you convert this into that, you need super strength. So that's why they have given you aluminium buckles and the G hooks here to stack one over the other. So when you look at the back also, you have this place when you stack onto it. And if you see on the side, you have this reflector piping here, and also Dirtsack written, which is again a reflector. Similarly on the top as well. Here, if you're using it as a backpack, you have that. And this can be used as your tail bag as well. So you can easily put this onto your tail and use this as a tail bag. So I'm going to show you a video which is done by Dirtsack, showing you what all can get into a 20-liter bag. I didn't want to make another video altogether again, because they've shown it in a very organized manner, how you can keep so many stuff into this bag. So the next clipping that you will see would be how you can use this bag and what are the stuff that can go into this bag. So the video now that you see clearly explains how so many stuff can get into your Max 20 without an issue. There is electronic stuff that has been kept. All the other clothing is for at least you can use this for a weekend travel. So these kinds of bags are specially meant for weekend travel. It's a 20-liter bag, and if you use this as a modular bag, then you'll also have to use the other bags from these guys, so which is Max 30 and the Max 10 also, which can be used as a stackable modular design. And that time all the multiple mounting points will be in use. So you can carry your laptop, you can carry your electronic gadgets comfortably, safely, without having the headache of that getting wet. If you're traveling during rainy season, it will be absolutely dry because of the main compartment being 100% waterproof. So welcome back. So you saw the video how convenient is this bag, and if you wish to purchase one of these, links in the description, you can go check that out and buy one of these, and they are super sturdy. I must say the quality of this bag is super rugged. If you're the kind of guy who does a lot of trekking, a lot of trail riding and all of it, this is probably the bag, the go-to bag that you should look at. And with that having said, I close this video here itself. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, your adventurous friend who would probably like to buy one of these. And until the next video, please stay at home, stay safe, vaccinate yourself if you haven't. That's it. Bye bye for now.